This is my workstation. And this is a practice for the performance. We're about an hour and a half away from showtime. And we're ready, I think. Here's the Filipinettes room.
Where's Zach?
Zach, he was,
Oh Lord. Chaos.
That was not me. That was not
We're going off of you guys.
Hello. Hello. It's backstage.
Don't hit the bird. Going off of you.
And backstage chaos.
Can you give me those beats? I'm trying to get them in sync.
So like, how do we start that?
So ready from the circle. Oh. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, circle. And we're gonna bring in the.
And this is the Rondalia, professional musicians from Los Angeles.
All right. One more time. So it's important to hear.
The sound booth.
We have so many different kinds of cameras.
Sorry.
I'm so amazed.
Occupational hazard.
That is so cool. It's only the tip, right?
Huh? What? Storage, prop in, dressing room. And this is Kevin Bautista, the what do you call yourself?
Event manager.
Event manager of Nelson. Hey. Can't make it out in the dark, but the choir is here, waiting patiently.
Have you seen Zach and Wally?
No, I haven't seen Zach and Wally.
You know where it is?
Do you know when you're supposed to be on stage? The most important place of all. The snack area.
The buy tickets are kind of areas, they're kind of back on the sides
where maybe there's some open seats. So if there's some conflicts, maybe we can direct them to an open seat. But it's almost a full capacity show. So yeah.
The props department.
5:30.
Dancing further downstage because we're trying to make sure that the light catches you and that we can see you. Any last questions for me or anyone? Oh, also, thank you to Tim for being our AV guy. So, it's what now? 5:45-ish? 5:37. 5:37. I want you to be in places for the first act by 5:50 if you could. I know that's pretty early, but it gives sort of like a little bit last minute, like I forgot something, you can run back. So in places, whatever that means for you at the top of the show at 5:50, and then we'll go from there. Thank you so much. Would anyone, yes?
So if we lose a prop or something, just let it go.
Yes, well,
Make sure it's not gonna take
in the, like for example, if you drop a castanet or you drop one of your coconuts, the earliest convenience, just go ahead and scoop it up. Don't try to kick it aside. Like try to pick it up in like a turn, or try to just pick it up as soon as you can. It'll just help to not distract the audience as much. So like, yeah, just kind of sneaky. Like
Get it under your dress.
Yes. Well, no, like don't put it. It'll just get lost under your dress. Any other questions? Any comments? Okay, do whatever you need to do for pre-show. Thank you so much again.
Make sure it's like
Yeah, oh yeah, watches off, jewelry off, unless Teacher Shirley gave you jewelry. Oh, that's it. 5. Time.
38.
5:38. 5:50, you're in places. Thank you.
Are we gonna have a cheer for good luck,
Oh
everybody?
yeah, does anyone, you want to do?
Oh, audience can hear us.
everyone's saying.
Come on, come on.
Yeah. Sounds one. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Last minute instruction.
Yay!
Stop. Play for the audience. Not for the civics tomorrow. Not tomorrow.
We're ready.
We're ready. Yay!
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Kailangan ko ng wala na. Do you check or no more? No, they will check. Okay. Do you see? If you do together? Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Hey.
Once you get in, they'll ask your seat number and they'll help you to your seats, okay? Yeah.
That, and it should say.
Some good stuff to make out. Yeah.